everybody, my name's Elyse, and today we're going to be doing 5-minute yoga for nighttime. So please step to the top of your mat. We're going to start with some deep inhales and deep exhales. Inhaling through the nose, filling the belly, and exhaling from the belly out. Next, we're going to slowly get our feet to the outside of the mat, and from the hips, keeping our back straight, we're going to slowly lower to the ground, bending the knees into a squat. A yogic squat helps open up the hips after a long day of sitting. Feel free to put your right hand to the ground and inhaling the left arm up, opening that left side body. Exhaling the left hand to the ground, we can then keep the left hand grounded and raise the right arm, opening that right-sided body. Returning to neutral in our yogic squat, this would be a good time to practice your forearm stands or your arm stands. But today we're going to lower ourselves to the ground, connect the feet and the soles together. Slowly inhaling, we want to lengthen, and on our exhale, we want to hinge at the hips. So we don't want to strain that back. We want to make sure we're hinging at the hips. Hands can come to the ground, taking deep inhales and deep exhales. Inhaling, rising, straightening the back. We bring the knees in, giving a small hug, and then coming a little bit more forward on the mat. Feet are hips width distance, and we lean back to engage the core. And as we come down to the ground, the core is engaged. Hands can come by the side. The left foot comes across to the right thigh. We can hold at the knees. We can hold below the thigh. Or we can reach a little bit further in and hold at the shin. On the inhales, we give a little bit more room for our belly. And on the exhales, we pull a little bit deeper into the stretch, never causing pain. Releasing to the ground, our right foot comes across to the left thigh. We can hold at the knees, hold at the thigh, or reach through and hold at the shin. Again, on our inhales, we give more room for the belly. And on our exhales, we create space so we can pull our knee a little bit closer. Releasing to the ground, our hands come back to the ground. On an inhale, we raise the hips into our bridge. Deeply inhaling through the nose, exhaling. Feel free to roll under on the shoulders and connect the palms below the bridge. Inhaling and exhaling, we release the palms to the ground and slowly lower. Extending out the right leg, we bring the left knee forward. Inhaling the left knee away, exhaling it closer. On the exhale, we release the left leg to the ground and pull in the right knee. Inhaling the right knee away and exhaling the right knee closer. On the next inhale, we bring both knees together. Feel free when you're ready to extend both legs to the ground, coming to our final Shavasana. Focusing on deep inhales and deep exhales. Thank you so much for joining me in this 5-minute yogic practice. Have a wonderful night.